Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Risa's Reading Corner. Today I will be reading My Fade is Fresh by Shauntay Grant. Illustrations by Kitt Thomas. Let's get into it. My Fade is Fresh by Shauntay Grant. Illustrated by Kitt Thomas. Yesterday, at 10 o'clock, I walked into the barbershop. My bushy, brownish, biggish hair was growing almost everywhere. What to do? The barber said. A perm, a press, a trim, a chop? I said and shook my head. The freshest fade up on the block. How about a trim that tucks it in? A frizzy fro that's neat and round, or parted with a parting comb and cornrows braided to the ground. Just grab a pick and mess with it. How about a tangly tassel top with yellow tips and bristly bits? How's this? A bit more off the top. Just cut the tips, trim the sides, and brush it into one big puff. Like this? That's right. All done? Not quite. What is this goopy gooey stuff? A bit of this and a lot of that. You'll want a greasy, glossy groomed. How about some spikes or twists or locks? My word, it's almost noon. Do you do waves or high top fades? I want it shaved and curly cropped. You satisfied? No, that's too high. A little bit more, please, off the top. You have some dyes? Let's make it red. No green, no blue, no brown instead. A taper fade with spongy twists. The freshest, flyest fade. Like this? Almost like that. Do you do art? How about a lightning bolt to start? Wait. How about an ocean cave with rocks and fish and giant waves? Or shooting stars? Or choo-choo trains? You think that you could write her name? A rocket ship, a turbojet, the whole entire alphabet. A treasure map with squiggly lines. My word! Just please make up your minds. A dragon head, a giant stop! Don't stress, I said. Just line me up. So today, around 2 o'clock, I walked right by the barbershop. A clean cut, classy curly crop. The freshest fade up on the block. A lot of fun ideas for her hair, but she liked it simple and sweet with a fade. Do you think that you would rock a hairstyle like this? I might. Thank you for coming back to Miss Risa's Reading Corner. Come back soon.